In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch images in Adobe Express. If you need to make an image wider, taller, or simply adjust how it fits inside your design, Adobe Express makes the process very quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to stretch an image manually using the resize handles, and I'll also point out the difference between stretching an image and resizing it proportionally, so you can choose the result that works best for your project. To begin, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're on the canvas where the image you want to adjust is already placed. This is important because you'll be working directly with the image inside your design layout. Next, click on the image you want to stretch. Once it's selected, you should see handles appear around the edges of the image. These handles are what you'll use to change the size and shape. If you don't see them right away, just make sure the image itself is selected and not another element on the page. Now, to stretch the image horizontally, drag one of the side handles outward. This will make the image wider. If instead you want to stretch it vertically, drag either the top handle or the bottom handle. That will make the image taller. This kind of adjustment changes the dimensions independently, which is useful when you want the image to fill a certain space. But keep in mind that stretching can distort the original proportions of the image. If you want to make the image larger or smaller without distorting it, use a corner handle instead. Dragging a corner handle resizes the image proportionally, which helps preserve its original aspect ratio. In other words, the image keeps the same overall shape while getting bigger or smaller. This is usually the better choice when you want the image to stay natural looking. As you drag, keep an eye on how the image looks in relation to the rest of your design. A small adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you're trying to align the image with text, backgrounds, or other visual elements on the canvas. Once the image reaches the size or shape you want, simply release your mouse. That locks in the adjustment and leaves the image in its new position and scale. And that's it. That's how to stretch images in Adobe Express. With just a few handle adjustments, you can quickly customize the look of your image and make it fit your design exactly the way you need.